Hey baddies, welcome back to another math video. Today's first question is, suppose that x and y are positive and x is greater than y. Explain why x to the power of 2 is greater than y to the power of 2. Well, let me just write this down real quick. If x is greater than y, if we multiply both sides by x, so this would be x to the power of 2 is also greater than xy. If x to the power of 2 is greater than xy, if we multiplied both sides by y, then it would be, for the sake of keeping it the same, I'm also going to keep these both as xy's, just for it to be easier. So then xy is greater than y to the power of 2. Well, if we can integrate this into one equation by just sliding this over, since the two xy's are the same, then we end up getting this. So if x to the power of 2 is greater than xy, and xy is greater than y to the power of 2, then x to the power of 2 is greater than y to the power of 2, since they are both positive. If they were both negative, then it would be different, because then, one would be, if one of them were negative, then it would be slightly different. But yeah. Moving on to problem number 2. At the end of week 3 of my baseball team's season, our record 5 wins and 7 losses. Each week after that, that's actually a pretty bad score. That reminds me of that one time in PE when we were playing ping pong, and my team screwed up so bad that we ended up getting 4 losses and 1 win. But we're not talking about that. Anyways, each week after that, we win 3 games and lose 1 game. At the end of which week will my team have first won at least twice as many games total this season as it has lost? So, the number of weeks can be x. Okay? So that is our defining x. So at the end of week 3, our record, so this side can be wins, this side can be losses. So we already have 5 wins, and we win 3 games every week, okay? Like that. So then it has to be at least twice as many, so then 2, and then how many losses you would have. So then 7 plus x. So we're going to be solving for x now. 5 plus 3x is greater than or equal to 14 plus 2x. Move each of the numbers to their respective sides. Get x greater than or equal to 9. Except we're not done yet. So when you see this, you would be like, oh, well, that's the answer, right? No, it's actually not. Because it says at the end of week 3. This is supposed to be a trick problem. I actually got this wrong a couple times. But that means that the 5 and the 7 aren't counted into x yet. So you have to add another 3 onto x. So that the correct answer would be the real answer. Well, the answer of this is x is greater than or equal to 9. But the answer to the word problem would be x is greater than or equal to 12. So just be mindful of that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Draw a smiley face.